Howdy, welcome to TBKHomeworld. And in this video, we're going to be talking about a magnetizer demagnetizer. So for those of you who haven't seen the craze lately, this Doyle model 70918 has just become an internet sensation. For some reason lately, Harbor Freight really has the viral marketing going on, and this is definitely one of those items. Now I picked this up because I have several of these 1/4-inch hex extensions that have completely lost their ability to hold a bit. For example, I have a number 2 extended Phillips here. It won't hold this thing to save its life. So my question is this lifetime guaranteed Doyle Magnetizer going to fix my issue or not? Let's cut this open and find out. So now that we have it out, we can see that it is extremely basic in function. It does come with a key ring, so you can put them on your keys and make it extremely simple. So I have 3 different hex bits extensions here that I want to test this with. I have some here that will barely hold on to it. This one does a lot better than that one does. And then I have one that's completely lost the magnet on the inside. You can actually look way down in there and you'll see that there is a missing magnet, and it has 0 hold on it whatsoever. Then we have an old Craftsman Torx T25, and it has almost no magnetic pull to it whatsoever. So we're gonna test all of these and let's see if we can improve on the magnetic capabilities of these bits. Well, first of all, this is the really good one. Let's see if we can improve it any by passing it through here. All right, that one's working really well. Now let's do this one that has a slight magnetic capability, but you'll see the bit likes to fall out pretty quickly. So let's see if we can improve this. Now the thing to keep in mind with these is you have this shank at the front that is your 1/4-inch hex, and the magnet is gonna have to pass through this and get to the really ferrous material underneath. So we'll take this and we'll pass it through. Now let's see if we have improved capabilities. Maybe slightly, but not by much. Let's send it through again. Now let's see if we have an improvement. There's a little bit, but extremely minor improvement here. Now let's take the one that has the missing magnet underneath, and you can see how quickly the magnetic capability transferred into this bit, because that's what's holding it on. There's no magnet in this one at all anymore, so this is what's magnetized now. So let's pass this through. Now let's see if we can get an improvement on this one. No, we really can't. Let's take the entire thing as one assembly and let's pass it through. Maybe that will improve our odds. Yes, that did. Now, it's still falling out, but it is a drastic improvement from what it was before. However, it's not like the really good one where you just can't shake it out. This one, it holds it on, but now it's just improved it like the middle one. So on these types of hex bit extensions, it's an improvement, but it's not going to be a massive game changer. Now, let's try our T25 Torx and let's see if we can get it where it will be able to pick up our 2 screws. That is a serious improvement here. Works extremely well. Had to work to get it off there, but look at that. Look how improved that is on picking it up. Pass it through again. Let's see if we can make it even stronger. That's nice. That's taken this screwdriver from almost not magnetized at all anymore to actually better than it was whenever we originally picked these up at Sears a long time ago. So impressive, it does its job. Now let's demagnetize this and see if we can get it where it's not going to pick this up. So on this system, on the back of it, it has a magnetizer pointing to the upper and a demagnetizer pointing to the lower. So we're just gonna take it and we're gonna pass it through. Can't pick up that screw. Let me get the small one. As you can tell, we still have a little bit of magnetization going on. but it is extremely minor now compared to the way it was. Let's see if we can get it completely removed. No, barely enough to even pick it up. Once it gets the full weight of the screw, it just falls off. So it definitely demagnetizes and remagnetizes the screwdriver. It's actually really cool. So now the question is this going to be the savior of your hex that no longer have magnetization capabilities? No, it's not gonna solve those problems for you. Will it take a screwdriver and magnetize it? Absolutely, it's going to be able to do that. Is it going to take a bit and magnetize the bit? Yes, it is going to be able to do that, which is going to allow you to hold onto those screws a little bit better, and it may allow it to hold a little bit better in your bit holder. However, this is not going to restore your bit holders to factory condition. So just keep that in mind. If that's what you're looking for, you might be a little disappointed with it, but it still does magnetize everything. It's just not at the level I was hoping that it would be able to do. Now, the one nice thing about these magnetizers, demagnetizers, is this does have a lifetime warranty on it. So for some reason the magnet gets hit hard against something and is no longer magnetized, you can get this replaced with a lifetime guarantee. Good job on Harbor Freight warranting something like this. If you have any questions about this fun little tool, please leave it in the comments below. I would love to hear how yours work. Have you ever been able to get one of these to work again? Did you drop a rare earth magnet down in it and super glue it? How did you fix your hex drivers to where they are magnetized again? We love all the comments from around the world, and we even try to post one of them on every video like this one. Thank you very much for leaving that comment. And remember, keep your tools sharp and your batteries charged, and we'll catch you on the next one.